Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I want to give you guys some installation tips on the Drolet Heat Commander wood furnace. So number one, it's very important that the plenum actually gets installed, even if you're just doing a first initial burn to burn off paint smells and cure the unit, because it does have a temperature probe located right here inside the plenum. If this is not installed and wired to the unit will not function properly. The blower system will not kick on and the damper controls will not open up. So that's very important to know up front. The blower cabinet does already come attached to the rear of the unit, so that's super handy. We did have to assemble this plenum. Basically, it's just the sheet metal pieces. You screw it together and then you stack them on top of each other. So that is super easy to do. Based on the size of the unit, you do kind of need 2 people just to get it set up there. The blower is just a standard 110 cord, so it goes right into the wall. The blower system off the rear will hardwire directly into your thermostat that you can stick onto the wall. This unit just has one single damper control, which is going to be located right here. When you go to do your initial firelight, you are going to push this button once. The unit will blink 3 times. Once it blinks 3 times, you know that your damper controls are fully open and you're ready to light the unit. That way you don't get any kind of smoke coming out the front door, as long as you're burning good, dry quality fuel. So once you have that assembled and you're connected to your chimney, you are good to go to do your first burn. Don't forget, when doing the first burn, you want to break the stove in over a period of 8 hours from a low to a medium into a high burn. I really hope that you guys find these installation tips helpful. If you guys do, if you like my videos, don't forget, give me a quick little thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.